All right, boys and girls, here is your work today. Now, today we're going to be measuring by area, and we are going to measure which is bigger and which is smaller. So I have the words big, bigger, biggest. I drew 3 squares, and I wrote those words, big, bigger, biggest, right above. Okay? Now, I have here a spider, and it's pretty big. And then in this box, I have another spider, and it is definitely bigger when I compare and I look and see that this one is bigger than this spider. But uh-oh, look who's coming here. And when I compare all 3 of them, I can see that this spider is the biggest. So what I'm going to do in my boxes, I am going to draw, in my boxes, I'm going to draw spiders. Okay? And you can think of whatever you would like to draw. And I'll give you some examples in a minute, but let's look at my spiders. And they don't have to be fancy. This one's big, but this one is bigger. And then in this box, I have to draw the biggest spider. Okay? So, some ideas that you can draw are bugs or insects. But if you want, you could always draw unicorns, a big unicorn, a bigger unicorn, and the biggest unicorn. You could do trucks or cars, a big truck, a bigger truck, the biggest truck. Think of something to draw. Now I have the words small, smaller, smallest. Once again, I am going to go ahead and write those words right above. Now, practice. Whoops. Smaller and smallest. Okay? Practice writing your words. Now, Mrs. Gatson likes to draw hearts. So I am going to draw a nice small heart. And then in this one, it's a smaller. So I have to draw an even smaller heart. Okay, so here I have a small heart, but when I compare over here, this one is smaller. And now, this one says smallest. Okay, so I have a small heart here. I have an even smaller heart than this one. But over here, I have the smallest. All right, small, smaller, smallest. Now, one way I can measure is by weight. Something that's heavy or something that is light. Okay, so heavy and light, or light and heavy. I'm going to draw 2 boxes, and I'm going to write the words light and heavy. Okay. Now I got to think of something that's light. I know, a butterfly is pretty light. Okay. That doesn't weigh too much. And then I have to think of something that's heavy. Here we go. See if you can guess what I'm going to make. Something that's heavy. Let me add an eye and an ear. It's an elephant. All right. So an elephant's a silly looking elephant, but an elephant is definitely heavier than a little light butterfly. Okay, so I'm looking and I'm comparing. Yes, this is heavy, this is light. This is a small heart, but this is smaller. This is the smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Wow. All right, let's do something that could be the shortest and the longest. So let's do